Hello my dear students, welcome back to your class. So my dear class 10 students, in your unit 2 money and financial system, today we are going to learn about RBI. Let us study about RBI as it is the Central Bank of India. Before we go into RBI, our topic, so let us see formal and non-formal sources of credit, which we have discussed in the previous class. So formal sources of credit is banks. You have to remember that formal source of credit is banks and non-formal source of credit is village money lender, traders and relative or self-help group. You may have heard about this SHG, that is self-help group, providing microcredits from bank to women in particular. And then another one is, which is very common in our states, is Marup. You may have heard about this also. Marup is all informal saving institutions. But not only this, but everyone did this Marup. So let us see about this Reserve Bank of India. This RBI was established in the year 1935. So let us study again some interesting fact about RBI. Number one is that the first governor of RBI was Osborne Smith. The first Indian governor of RBI was C.D. Deshmukh. You have to remember all these things. Originally, the Reserve Bank of India was privately owned and was established as a private bank with two extra functions, that is, the regulation and control of all banks in India and to be the bankers to the then government. Since its nationalization in 1949, RBI has been wholly owned by the government of India, and thus some new roles were added to the list of functions of RBI. So presently, RBI, the governor of RBI, let us see. Have you ever known about him? Have you ever know the name of this present RBI? His name is Sakti Kanta Das. Remember, he is the present governor of RBI. And the other name of RBI is also Central Bank of India. So I'll give you some example of RBI. RBI holds all control over any banks in our country. So that means example is State Bank of India, SBI we call it, and HDFC. These are the two famous public banks in our country. So now let us see the total assets in crores by several banks of India, which is under control by the Reserve Bank of India or the central banks. So before we look into the statistics, let me tell you what is assets. Asset is a useful or valuable thing or person. Assets iti tinga halisin til mancha ding pata ahido le til mantam ta ti nahi. So let us look forward to this. Below here at the bottom, you may have seen, you will see this SBI, HDFC, ICICI, PNB, that is Punjab National Bank, Axis Bank, Bank of Baroda, Canara Bank, Bank of India, Kotak Mahindra Bank, IndusLand Bank. There are several banks who holds assets. Let us see, for SBI is the most. And the second one is HDFC. SBI holds 30 crores. More than 30 crores. So let us see next again. Functions of RBI. So let us see the main functions of RBI. Number one is that Reserve Bank of India was established in 1935 and became the Central Bank of India. The main functions of the RBI are as follows. Number one is, it is the sole authority for issue of currency in India other than 1 rupee notes and coins. Hichilai net chin division functions of RBI. Number one currency note sim na hin full power akipi iti head diu hicha hin pitam tele 1 rupee notes ting la coins ho tailo hin note se zanga note sangni note zakhat note somni somkhat note ho zo se sim na hin full power anevi ti ne. Second point is that it acts as banker to the government, both central and state. Hichi central bank central government le state government ninga so bank banker khat he ti vet sa na he. And next is, it is bankers bank and their supervisor. Mohi bank holding a bank kit he. Bank ho jong hin RBI ko ma he loan ala kit jiu he. Hisin as banker banks and their supervisor kiti. Supervisors bida kiti am del mohin rules and regulations jo se hi his RBI and se ma his rules and regulations jo se chu bank dang jo sen a follow. Hisin as amahai supervisor kiti. Next is, the last is, it promotes commercial banking. Commercial banking kiti chu sum veikana lama bank neo cha cha ho hello le bank dang ho he amohin promotable busy are promotable hamtil amohin they are looking onto the development only. So that is why RBI also looking forward to those commercial bank who are going to support in the country development. So for your assignment is only one question. My dear students, just read it carefully and write it down, the given question, write down and learn the functions of Reserve Bank of India. So my dear student, always try to learn and always try to keep in touch with your book, study properly and do your home assignment properly. Till then, stay safe and take care. Thank you.